Hi, and thanks for watching the video. I'm Todd Baginski. I'm a Microsoft MVP and a partner and CTO at Canvas. In this video, I'm going to take you on a PowerApps deep dive using the Estimator Pro PowerApps sample template. I'm going to show you how to create slide-in menus inside of PowerApps. Before I show you how the code works here, I'd like to give you a demonstration of actually what we're building here. So here I have the Estimator Pro PowerApps sample template in the mobile form factor created. To create this same PowerApps sample template, what you'll want to do is head to web.powerapps.com, click Apps, scroll down until you find Estimator Pro, select the mobile form factor, then click Make This App. If you have not seen the different videos that I've created for Estimator Pro, I also have a video which gives you a complete walkthrough demo of all the functionality in the app, as well as an installation and configuration video and another deep dive. So if you haven't set it up yet and you're looking to get the code to do this same thing in your own Power App, what you'll want to do is watch that install video, select the mobile form factor, then click Make This App, and that will install the Power App for you. Now, after you have the Power App in your own tenant and your own environment, what you can then do is play the Power App, and you'll notice here, this is the form factor that matches a mobile device. Notice when I click the little waffle button at the top, now I have a menu that slid in and it pushed the rest of the screen over to the side. If I hit the X button here in the menu, it closes it and it comes back to the regular screen. So again, click, menu appears, click X, menu disappears. So I think you're going to be surprised how easy it is to implement this inside of a Power App. So as I mentioned in all the other videos I've done on the Power App sample templates we've created, my favorite way, and I think the best way to investigate what's happening in Power App, is to actually work with the Power App inside of the editor like I have here, and then close the preview mode to bring it back into the editor experience, and then you can get the app in the exact state you want as you inspect the controls. So as we look at the button that got the party started when we clicked it, we can see that this menu icon here has an onSelect event set to actually set a variable called showLeftMenu to the opposite value of whatever showLeftMenu was right now. So if it was true, it will become false. If it was false, it will become true whenever we click that particular button right there. The next thing is, how does this value actually control showing the menu and sliding everything over? Well, if we take a look here at the X coordinate of the menu, we can see if showLeftMenu is true, then this X coordinate is 0. 0 means the top left, or the very leftmost coordinate inside of the device that's viewing the Power App. If showLeftMenu is false, means don't show the menu, then we're going to set it to -410. 410 is the width of this particular menu here. So again, now if I come back to the Power App and I click it, now we can see that I have set the X coordinate to be 0, and now the menu appears. However, when I click the X button here, it disappears. So how do we make it disappear? Well, to make it disappear, if we look at the close menu icon over here, we can see that even though it's out of view in edit mode here, when showLeftMenu, or when it's clicked, showLeftMenu is set to false. And that will then automatically trigger that menu when this value is false to be -410. So that's the X coordinate associated with the menu itself. But what about the appointment list over here on the right? We use the same logic here inside of the X coordinate for the appointment list, but however here we trigger off showLeftMenu, and if that's true, the appointment list is going to be out to 410 pixels to the right. If it's false, then it just snugs up against the very left. So as you can see, just a couple if statements, and one variable and setting it in two different places. When I click here, turn it on. When I click here, turn it off. And now we're able to quickly implement that slide out menu inside of the Power App. I hope you find this technique helpful. And as I mentioned, if you'd like to duplicate it, just download this Power App and follow the code pattern we have here. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I'll see you next time.